I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh. Today I am going to discuss UGC NET December 2025 for Computer Science and Applications. Important questions and solutions will be here. I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh, completed PhD in Computer Science and Engineering in 2021. I qualified in GATE 2007 on paper IT with score 438 and with All India rank 180. I am qualified in both UGC NET and WBSET in December 2023. Our first question. In Linux operating system environment, dash command is used to print a file. Option 1, print. Option 2, LPR. Option 3, PTR. Option 4, PR. It came in UGC NET June 2024. Linux is a multi-user multitasking operating system. It is a command user interface, CUI, and whereas Windows is a graphical user interface. In Linux operating system environment, LPR command is used to print a file. Option 2 is the correct answer. In AI, an agent can improve its performance by UGC NET December 2028. It came in. Option 1, learning. Option 2, responding. Option 3, observing. Option 4, perceiving. An agent can improve its performance by learning from past experiences and data, which helps to make informed decisions in the future. So option 1 will be correct answer. Question 3. Dash command is used to remove a relation from an SQL database. It came in UGC NET December 2018. In RDBMS, row is known as attribute, row is known as tuple, column is known as attribute, and table is known as relation. So which command is used to remove a relation from an SQL database? Option 1, update table. Option 2, remove table. Option 3, delete table. Option 4, drop table. Actually, delete table deletes all the rows from the relation, not the relation. Drop table removes a relation from an SQL database. So option 4, drop table is the correct answer. A process residing in main memory and ready and waiting for execution is kept on option 1, job queue. Option 2, execution queue. Option 3, wait queue. And option 4, ready queue. Option 4, ready queue is the correct answer. It is a question from operating system. Question number 5. Page information in memory is also called as page table. The essential contents in each entry of a page table is or are dash. Option 1, page access information. Option 2, virtual page number. Option 3, page frame number. And option 4, both virtual page number and page frame number. It came in UGC NET July 2018. So logical memory is broken into fixed size blocks called pages. Physical memory is broken into fixed size blocks called frames. Essential contents in each entry of a page table is page frame number. Option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following is true about constructors? Constructors is in object-oriented programming language, that is in C++ or Java. Java or C++ supports a special type of method or functions called constructors that enables an object to initialize itself when it is created. Constructors have the same name as the class itself. They do not specify a return type, not even void. This is because they return the instance of the class itself. Constructor is a special method in Java. Constructor is a special function in C++. So it came in UGC Net July 2018. Option 1, constructors must always have a return type. Wrong. Option 2, constructors cannot be overloaded. Constructors can be overloaded. Constructor overloading is there. So wrong. Constructors can have parameters. Correct. There are two types of constructors, default constructors and parameterized constructors. If constructors can have parameters, it is called parameterized constructors. If it takes one argument constructor. If it take two argument constructors. If it take three argument constructor, like this. And option 4, a class cannot have multiple constructors. A class can have multiple constructors, that is constructor overloading. Option 3, constructors can have parameters, is the correct answer. A relation produced from AR model will always be in option 1, first NF, option 2, second NF, option 3, third NF, option 4, 4 NF. Different types of normal forms. To be in 2 NF, it must be in first NF. To be in 3 NF, it must be in 2 NF. To be in fourth NF, it must be in 3 NF. It came in UGC Net July 2018. Option 1 is the correct answer. Relations produced from AR model will always be in 1 NF. In which of the following scheduling criteria context switching will never take place? Context switching, the actual switching of poisons when an interrupt occurs, or in normal scheduling, is called context switching. So context switching happens for preemptive scheduling. It happens for round robin scheduling, that is preemptive scheduling. It will happen for preemptive HJF, and it will happen for preemptive priority. In which of the following scheduling criteria context switching will never take place? Option 1, option 2, both are wrong. Option 4 is also wrong. Option 3, non-preemptive HJF. Context switching will never take place for non-preemptive scheduling. So option 3, non-preemptive HJF, is the correct answer. Which of the following algorithms solves the single source shortest paths? The question is from Design and Analysis of Algorithms. It came in UGC Net July 2018. Option 1, Prim's algorithm. Option 2, Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Option 3, Johnson's algorithm. Option 4, Dijkstra's algorithm. All pairs shortest path problem is solved by Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Single source shortest path problem is solved by Dijkstra algorithm. So option 4 is the correct answer. Today's last question. In artificial intelligence, an environment is uncertain if it is option 1, not fully observable and not deterministic. Option 2, not fully observable or not deterministic. Option 3, fully observable but not deterministic. Option 4, not fully observable but deterministic. Option 2, in artificial intelligence, an environment is uncertain if it is not fully observable or not deterministic, not fully observable. An agent does not have complete information about the environment, not deterministic. Same action can lead to different outcomes each time it is performed. So, environment is uncertain in AI if it is not fully observable or not deterministic. Option 2 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching the full video. If you like our content, you will subscribe our channel, Desire to Learn. Drop in your valuable comments and keep press on bell icon and share our videos to your friends and so on. Your support will be our inspiration. I always say I will upload more and more questions for UGC NET, GATE, WB, SET and other states set questions which will be helpful for you. Today I am ending here. I will come back soon with the latest videos.